Hi, I am Lemon, and in this video I'll show you how to download and install the latest version of Python on Windows using the new Python install manager. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Python. Then go to python.org. You will find the official website link in the video description. Once you are on the website, open the downloads page. Here you will see the option to download the Python install manager. Click the download button and wait for it to finish. Once the download is complete, open the installer. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. The Python install manager will now open. Click Install Python to begin the installation. A command prompt window will appear and guide you through the setup. You will be asked a few configuration questions. If you are not sure which option to choose, selecting Y for yes is recommended for the default setup. If you are asked this question, type Y and press enter. The install manager will automatically download, install and configure Python on your computer. Once the installation is complete, you may be asked if you would like to open the online documentation. You can type Y or N depending on your preference. Now open the start menu and search for Python. If you see Python, the installation was successful. To confirm that everything is working correctly, search for command prompt and run it as an administrator. Type python space double hyphen version and press enter. If you see the installed Python version instead of an error message, Python has been installed successfully and is ready to use. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed the latest version of Python on your Windows PC. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials.